Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for the overwhelming support to my channel. I've also started Telegram channel to give immediate clarification on queries and share some technical ideas to my followers. So if you are interested, please join my Telegram channel. Today I'm going to be doing technical analysis on Australian dollars and USD currency pairs. As usual, we'll start with the higher time frame trend analysis. Then we'll go down to the lower time frame and actually understand the present price actions. And then finally analyze the trading range for Monday. So I'm on daily time frame in Australian dollar USD currency pairs, and we can notice that it had an uptrend, then a downtrend has started, but again bounce back happened. So it has traveled up to here. This was the lowest point. It has traveled down, then it has bounced up, again retraced, again presently in the uptrend now. When we analyze the trend in detail, we can notice that it was on a downtrend and it had traveled on a channel pattern. So this is the channel pattern. It has went there little bit out. We cannot expect a perfect channel to form. We have to take a rough areas, then try to understand the price action. So this is the trend. We have noticed that it was on a downtrend and it was traveling on a channel pattern. It had given a breakout here and then has taken a retracement, again tested on the dynamic support here and again bounced back. So we know that when there is a retesting happening and a bounce back is happening, there is a trend reversal happening at this point. So it is a very healthy trend reversal. When we analyze the resistance, this was the resistance and this was the support here. When we check on the left hand side, we can see that it has a resistance here and presently it has broken this resistance, again retraced. So presently the price is actually between support and resistance. When we notice it's here also, it has tried to break this resistance several times, then it has bounced down, again it has retraced, then it has found a resistance here which was the previous resistance over here, then the trend has reversed, again found a support in the dynamic support from the channel pattern. Now it has again bounced back. It is retrying to break this resistance over here. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. Again, when I do the trend analysis in hourly time frame, I can notice that again it has traveled in a channel pattern. This was the bottom, top, again here this price action has traveled in a channel pattern. You can notice it clearly from here. Downtrend, took support, again uptrend, again downtrend, again uptrend, again downtrend. Now presently it is an uptrend. Again you can notice that it is actually retracing. In lower time frame also, this currency pair is actually traveling in a channel pattern and it has broken the resistance also from daily time frame. It may attempt to break this resistance from the daily time frame also. But when we notice in detail this price action, this range, within this range, there is not much movement. It is finding some sort of resist, cannot move upside or it's not moving downside also. So when we come on the left hand side, let's see what is creating these issues. Here when we see it on the left hand side, this was a double top pattern and double top pattern has given a breakout. So this was the area of consolidation, or this is the neckline where it broke and came down. So presently it is trying to break this previous neckline. That is why it is finding a resistance over here. To make it clear, this full area is an resistance area. You should put lot of effort to break this resistance area, then only it can continue its uptrend. We can expect it to retrace back. We can expect a retracement also. As long as it is within this channel pattern, the uptrend continues. If it breaks this channel pattern, the downtrend continues. We have to wait and see what is the price action for this currency pairs. Presently it is on a consolidation phase within this channel pattern in hourly time frame. And there is a very strong resistance here, previous resistance here. If it breaks this resistance, we can see the uptrend to continue. So in a higher time frame, it is still on a downtrend. It is trying to break the downtrend and go on the uptrend in lower time frame. Still, the trend reversal hasn't happened. Let us analyze the trading ranges for Monday. I'm using Fibonacci's retracement tool, and these are all the levels for Monday. So I'm expecting a retracement to happen on Monday because it is consolidating and it couldn't go up, and in a higher time frame it is on downtrend. So maybe it could retrace up to this support line of the channel pattern. So the ranges on the downside is going to be, the first target on the downside is going to be 0.74109. Next target is going to be 0.73938, and next target is going to be at the support line. This is going to be acting as a support, 0.73745. This is going to be the next support, and if it manages to go up, if it breaks this resistance, the levels on the upside is going to be very narrow. This is going to be the first target. Next target is going to be this level, 0.74721. That is going to be the next target on the upside. Since it is on a consolidation, I would recommend please wait for that trend to start. Wait for it to break on downside or on the upside, then take the trade. So don't be in a hurry and take trades on the wrong direction. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get a notification on my future videos.